In this lecture, we will see composition of two permutations. So first we see how to find composition or product of two permutation by taking an example. So for that, consider, let sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 2 is equal to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1 and 3 goes to 3 be two permutations in S3. Then find sigma composition tau and tau composition sigma. Solution. Note that composition or product of two bijective functions is again a bijective. Therefore, composition sigma circle tau and tau circle sigma are again permutations because these are bijective functions. Therefore, we can calculate or we can find sigma composition tau and tau composition sigma. One more thing to note that sigma composite tau is not equal to tau composite sigma. So how to calculate the product of two permutations? Let us see. See here sigma of 1 is equal to sigma of 1 is 3, sigma of 1 is 3 there, and tau of 1 is 2, tau of 1 is 2. Therefore, sigma circle tau of 1 is equal to, how this composition is defined? Sigma circle tau of 1 is sigma of tau of 1. This is equal to sigma of, what is tau of 1? Tau of 1 is 2. So this is sigma 2. What is sigma 2? Image of 2 under sigma, that is sigma 2 is 2. So this is equal to 2. So image of 1 under composition sigma circle tau is 2. Similarly, we can calculate images of 2 and 3 under the composition sigma circle tau. So for that, sigma circle tau of 2, how this composition is defined? Sigma circle tau of 2 is sigma of tau of 2. So this is equal to sigma of, what is tau of 2? Tau of 2 is given as 1. So this is sigma of 1. What is sigma of 1? Sigma of 1 is given as 3. So therefore this is 3. So image of 2 under the composition sigma circle tau is 3. Now we can calculate image of the last symbol, 3 under the permutation sigma circle tau. So sigma circle tau of 3 is equal to sigma of tau of 3. What is tau of 3? Tau of 3 is given as tau of 3 is 3. So sigma of 3. This is sigma of 3 because tau of 3 is 3. Sigma of 3 is given as 1. So this is 1. Therefore, your permutation sigma circle tau is, sigma circle tau is equal to, this is 1, 2, 3. This is a permutation on 3 symbols. What is the image of 1 under sigma circle tau? Image of 1 under sigma circle tau is 2. Image of 2 under sigma circle tau is 3. And image of 3 is 1. So this is the sigma circle tau. And this again belongs to S3 because this is again a permutation on 3 symbol. Let us calculate tau circle sigma. So for that, we must calculate image of each symbol under this composition toe circle sigma. Toe circle sigma of 1 is what? This is toe of sigma of 1. This is equal to toe of, what is sigma of 1? Sigma of 1 is given as 3. So toe of 3 is 3. Toe circle sigma of 2 is equal to toe circle sigma of 2. This is equal to toe of sigma 2. What is sigma 2? Sigma 2 is 2. Sigma 2 is 2. So toe of 2 is 1. Toe of 2 is 1. Similarly, toe circle sigma of 3 is equal to toe of sigma of 3. Sigma of 3, what is sigma of 3? Sigma of 3 is 1. And this is toe of 1. What is toe of 1? Toe of 1 is 2. Therefore, toe circle sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3. Image of 1 is, what is the image of 1 is 3. Image of 2 is 1 and image of 3 is 2. This is the toe circle sigma. This is the composition, and this is again belongs to S3 because this is a permutation on 3 symbol. This is a permutation because this is a 1, 1 and R2 function. So composition of 2 permutation is again a permutation, and this is the actually toe circle sigma. See here, sigma circle toe and toe circle sigma are not same because under the sigma circle toe image of 1 is 2 and under toe circle sigma image of 1 is 3. Therefore, we have the sigma circle toe in general is not equal to toe circle sigma. That is, in general, composition of 2 permutation is not commutative. Composition of 2 permutation is not commutative. So